Hello everyone and welcome back to uGenesys. In today's session, I'll guide you through a rapid and essential technique for calculating lot sizes in just 2 seconds. Understanding the importance of this calculation is critical for maintaining a consistent equity curve in your trading journey. By consistently managing your risk, you establish the foundation for gradual growth in your trading account. Let's bypass external tools such as spreadsheets and dive directly into the fastest method on your MT5 platform. And let's begin by adding our Market Keys Trade Manager to our chart. And you can adjust your stop loss effortlessly. Let's put this at 20 pips and our risk at 6% and hit calculate. And you can see how swiftly it computes the lot size for us, and we have a total of 9.86 lots. And armed with this lot size, you can make well-informed decisions when entering trades. Clicking on buy unveils this graphical representation on the chart, and here you can fine-tune and adjust your stop loss, your target, as well as your risk to reward ratio. And in addition to our execute tab, we also have our manage tab for handling trades, our stats tab for monitoring trades, and our secure tab to prevent you from overtrading. And so to get our Market Keys Trade Manager, you can click on the link in the description below. Thank you once again for joining us and happy trading.